Hello again, chemistry friends. Here's the last video of our 3 for Drops on a Penny Lab. We're going to do water. This is DI water or deionized water, so it is 100% pure water. It has no salts in it or any other chemicals. It's pure H2O. And as you can see, I've got my shiny pennies, heads side up. These are the exact same pennies that I've used for the other labs. So here we go. Drops on a penny. Please make some observations, count along as I put drops of water on a penny. Wow, that was a lot. So you can see that definitely the water is spilled off, and also water is doing something else that's pretty cool, but your chemistry teacher will explain that to you later. All right, so that was a lot of drops. Whew. Sorry, I'm so shaky with the camera. I'll try and hold the camera still. Count along with me. Let's do another trial. Drops on a penny, trial 2. Here is water, trial 2. Wow, that was a lot again. And there's water doing its thing. Cool. Okay. Hopefully you got that. One more trial. Third trial for drops on a penny with water. Count along. Wow, that was a lot. Okay. So hopefully you got that and you enjoyed the videos. Sorry they're not the best quality, but you know, it's what we can do. All right, now I got to figure out why. Good luck.